If you share links in your newsletters, email campaigns, PDF lead magnets, or elsewhere, you've probably looked into how to track where your clicks are coming from. One way to do this is UTM parameters. And in this video, I'll show you why, most of the time, you only benefit from using one of them. This video is part demo and part guideline, so you can figure out where to draw the line with your tracking data and avoid over-engineering and collecting more than you need. Before I begin, let me quickly disclaim that this video is for general information purposes only and is not professional advice. Let's start by getting clear about data and why you're collecting it at all. Data is all about the so that you can better understand what's happening, so that you can make more informed decisions, so that you can modify behavior or choose a different direction as needed. When you look at it this way, more data, that is, more than you need, isn't better, it's digital clutter. And trying to make sense of clutter adds unnecessary cognitive load. So how does this play out with shared links and UTM parameters? Google Analytics, among others, allows you to see your traffic data by things like user source. It does some of this work automatically, but at other times, rather than just using standard analysis buckets, it's up to you to identify the sources that are meaningful to your marketing efforts. And that's where UTM parameters come in. If you're a jargon lover, UTM stands for Urchin Tracking Module, which sounds adorable, but simply references the name of the company this originated from. Now, let's look at an example of how to engineer your links with UTM parameters so you can get a better sense of when you might be over-engineering. Basically, you'll change your link by adding a question mark and then various UTM parameters to the end. If you wanted to know that the traffic came from a newsletter, your URL, your link, would read https://yourdomain.com ? UTM_source equals newsletter. Similarly, to track traffic from LinkedIn, your URL would read https://yourdomain.com ? UTM_source equals LinkedIn. Note the underscore between UTM and source. There are no spaces in URLs. To take it further and distinguish between things like posts versus articles on LinkedIn, you would modify your URL to include a UTM medium parameter like https://yourdomain.com ? UTM_source equals LinkedIn, ampersand UTM_medium equals post. The ampersand is how you separate the different UTM parameters. To get more granular, you could add other parameters like UTM campaign to track campaigns like a holiday sale, UTM content to track which link or button on the page was clicked, or for A/B tests, and UTM term to track keywords associated with paid ads. But most of the time, you really just need to know where your traffic is coming from and where it's not. So here's the UTM specific takeaway for your marketing data. If you find yourself trying to make up things like a campaign name just so you can get more data, but all that's really going to influence what you do next is the source, stop there. In most cases, source is all you need. And now it's your turn. How many UTM parameters will you use? Source only or more? If this video helped you, drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone else who needs it. Thank you for watching.